Hello guys, welcome back. If your Camplux water heater is not heating water properly or not producing hot water at all, it can quickly become a daily inconvenience. This type of issue can feel serious, but in many cases, it's caused by simple factors like low water pressure, gas supply problems, or incorrect settings rather than a major fault. Camplux heaters are designed to work under specific conditions, so if even one of those conditions isn't met, the heating process may not start correctly. The key is to check each part of the system step by step so you can identify what's stopping the heater from working efficiently. Once you correct the issue, the unit usually returns to normal performance. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix the heating problem and restore hot water. Try these. Step 1. Ensure there is enough water pressure by fully opening the water supply. Step 2. Check that the gas supply is turned on and flowing properly. Step 3. Turn the heater off and then back on to reset the system. Step 4. Adjust the temperature settings to a proper heating level. Step 5. Check air intake and exhaust vents for any blockage. Step 6. Test the heater again to confirm hot water is flowing normally.